Hi, I am Martina and today you're going to learn about Pemdas. Pemdas is a way of multiplying fractions. In Pemdas, there is a way of multiplying fractions because every layer of Pemdas means something. P for parentheses, E for exponents, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. When you have a problem that first division, then multiplication, you need to do left to right and 2 with addition and subtraction, left to right. Now here's an example of a problem that we are going to solve with Pemdas. The first step is to do 38 minus 18 because 38 minus 18 is in parentheses or exponents that are the same because first in the Pemdas order first goes parentheses or exponents. The second step is to do 90 times 20 that equals 180 because the 20 from the first step I'm going to do 90 because it was near to the first step and because the times goes next in the Pemdas order. The third step is to do 180 divided by 100 that equals 18 because the 180 is from the second step and the 100 is what was left in the problem and the divided because it goes next in the Pemdas order. Here are some exercises that we are going to solve. This is exercise number 1, that is 100 minus 80 divided by 2 minus 15 times 4 that equals. The first step is to do 80 divided by 2 that equals 40 because 80 divided by 2 is in parentheses and because the division goes first and the subtraction. The second step is to do 100 minus 40 because 100 is left in the parentheses and the 4 is from the first step, that is 60. The third step is to do 50 times 40 that equals 60 because 50 times 40 is like a little problem in a big problem. The fourth step is to do 60 minus 60 that equals 0 because when we did the second step, we didn't use the 60 and in the third step we had a 60. This is exercise number 2, that is 60 minus 20 plus 70 that equals. The first step is to do 20 plus 70 that equals 90 because 20 plus 70 is like a small problem in a big problem and first goes addition and subtraction. The second step is to do 90 minus 60 equals 30 because the 90 was from the first problem and the 60 was left and then the minus goes in the Pemdas order. This is exercise number 3. 8 divided by 2, 6 times 2 that equals. The first step is to do 6 times 2 that equals 12 because the 6 times 2 was in parentheses. The second step is to do 8 divided by 2 that equals 4 because 8 divided by 2 is like a small problem in a big problem. The third step is to do 12 divided by 4 because the 12 wasn't used then from the first step and the 4 was from the second step and the divided was left in the exercise. This is exercise number 4. 6 divided by 5 minus 2 divided by 6 divided by 6 that equals. The first step is to do 6 divided by 6 that equals 1 because the 6 divided by 6 is in double parentheses or exponents. The second step is to do 5 minus 2 that equals 3 because the 5 minus 2 is in the parentheses. The third step is to do 3 minus 1 because in the first step, the 1 we didn't use and the 3 was in the second step and the divided was left in the parentheses. The fourth step is to do 6 divided by 3 that equals 2 because the 6 was left in the problem and the 3 we had in the third step and the divided was left 2. Here are some exercises that you need to solve with Pemdas. I hope you enjoy and learn how to solve problems with Pemdas. Thanks for watching.